All right, you found Desert Bounty. This is a segment here on building the chicken coop. I'm Perry. So, what I got going on here is it's rather windy outside, so I decided to just compress this and do a voiceover. Got the chicken coop going here, and I'm spreading chicken wire. Not my favorite thing to do, but definitely out here a requirement. So, I got a 3-foot high chicken wire, and I'm going to double it up, and it almost reaches the top. You won't see that. There's like an inch at the very top that I have to cover. And I trimmed a juniper off to the right behind the chicken coop there, and installed installed juniper branches on the inside. And the purpose of that is for cob. Now this wall I'm working on here is the south-facing wall, and then around the corner, right on the other side of where you see it, where I'm trimming this chicken wire, it wraps around and goes for about another 6 feet. And that's going to prevent the sun from baking this side during the day. And then as the sun sets at the hottest point of the day, behind me there to the west, that'll kind of block the sun and keep the inside of the chicken coop considerably cooler. Now this is an experiment. I didn't see this anywhere else. I'm going to strip the bark as much as I can off the junipers so there's not a lot of loose bark on there. And the chicken wire is going to help grab onto the cob as well. This section here, I'll heavy cob on the inside, and then I'll mix just a clay slip and go on the outside on the chicken wire. Maybe some organic material mixed in there. I haven't decided yet for a finish coat on the back side. What I could have done is I could have sided this. I could have put I could have put composite cedar siding on here, but the reality is I don't have the money. I'm on Social Security. I'm living on probably $1,000 a month out here in the desert, camping. And I'm getting the homestead ready for occupancy. At some point, we'll be putting in a septic and then going to the county and presenting them with a permitted plan for a small cabin, a structure of some kind, and that's in the works right now. So one of the first things I did here is we bought some piggies, and this was just to help a friend out who lives out here. Him and his family needed a few extra bucks, and Corey put up $100, and we got 2 pigs. My intention was to raise them up and butcher them. But what happened was Hammy got on Porky, and now we got babies. So I'm going to have to make some choices here in a little bit about that. We'll see. After I installed the upper section of chicken wire here, using the wire that came with the rolls, I'm sewing the top section to the bottom section and just weaving it along, twisting it back, just kind of holding it together. And I'll go through here in the next couple of days and I'll actually wire some of those juniper branches directly to the chicken wire, just kind of hold it steady until we get cob on it. As I progress on the chicken coop here, we just got some 2x4s so I could finish the roof and get that all set up. And Corey has some panels that came with his bus we're going to use as the roofing, and then I'll eventually clad it in steel. So stick around. I hope you enjoyed the video. Periodically I'll put some videos up and show you more and more progress as we get more materials. They come slow because we're on a restricted, severe budget here. And I'll keep you informed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Help this old boy out. I appreciate it. If you have any comments or suggestions, hit me in the comments. I usually respond right away. Thanks for watching.